Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Do you get distracted while building your online business on Facebook because there's so much clutter going through your newsfeed? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to share with you this little known feature called Facebook Friend List, how you can use this and organize your Facebook Friends list so that you can grow your online business, and it is going to save you time, especially if you're working part-time. So, before we get into the training, I want you to be aware of two things. Number one, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Secondly, stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can get access to a free training that will show you how to use Facebook to get leads for your business, all for free. So let's get right into the training. Have you ever gone through Facebook and you want to connect with people and you just go through your news feed and it's just filled with a lot of distractions? People are sharing, videos, or they're sharing political posts, or you're seeing a lot of people posting in different Facebook groups, and it can be it can make it very distracting for you, having to scroll through and trying to find, people that you want to talk to, people that you're building relationships with, maybe your network marketing team, and it can be very, very challenging. But I'm going to introduce to you right now a time-saving tool on Facebook that will help you be able to sift through your news feeds quicker to find your people, and that is the Facebook Friends feature. What this Facebook Friends feature allows you to do is you can categorize your friends by different categories so that you can go in and comment and find out what people are up to, okay? This is very important for one big reason, okay? I mentioned the first one, which is being able to be a time saver. The second thing this allows you to do is before you post anything on Facebook, whether it's a Facebook Live, whether it's a status update, you're going to get more engagement on your posts if you go in and spend 15 minutes going through and liking and commenting on people's posts. So you may want to organize and have a Facebook friends list of maybe leaders, influencers, your team, people you want to connect with like family and friends. And when you do that, what Facebook does is it looks at it and says, hey, you're out there, you're wanting to connect, you're creating a positive user experience. And when you're out there commenting and liking and sharing other people's posts, people in turn are going to want to reciprocate and return the favor. And when that happens, Facebook's going to reward you and keep your posts in the newsfeed longer, giving you more exposure. So let's show you how easy it is to set up this friends list. So you can come over here and you're going to see right below the Explore button here, you're going to see friends lists. You're going to click on that and it's going to take you to a list of friends. You can see I have a bunch of different lists that I've organized my friends. So you can see here I have friends who like the healthy diabetic. I have friends who work colleagues. I have people from college. I have people who are some of my favorite internet marketing peeps. I have people who are close friends. So I can literally go into these lists, and before I post anything, I can spend time liking, commenting, and really sharing their information. It's a huge time saver. I don't have to spend time scrolling through and trying to find their posts. Very easy to create a friends list. So I can come here and I come up to the top where it says create list. You create the list, and I'm going to type in, I'm just going to say, for example, diabetics. Who would you like to add to this list? So you just type in people's names that you would benefit, that you would want in this group. So I am going to, let's type in some people here. So I'm going to type in some people that I'm just bringing up here, just kind of coming up on my screen. Let's see here. I'm going to bring up some of my other friends. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm just typing in people, and I'm just putting random people in just to show you how easy this is. Once I hit the create button, what's going to happen then is you're going to see the list up on top, and then everybody who I listed in here are going to be all of their, people, all of my friends who are listed in here. Whenever they post something, it's going to show up in this list. Okay, so I can go in and I can literally start writing and commenting on their posts. And it's very easy to manage it. You can add more friends to this list here. And if you want to delete the list, you can delete it, you can rename it, you can edit it. I'm just going to delete this list, okay? And so it's very easy to do. So then what I can do here, I'm just going to show you some examples, one more quick example. This is like my close friends list, and I can come in here, and what I love is you can do one here with leaders. If you want to get on the leaders' radars, find the leaders in your niche, create a Facebook friends list if you're friends with them, and then you just go in and like and comment on their stuff, and they will return the favor for you. Okay, now you cannot add people who you're just following. Okay, you cannot add those. These are actual friends that you have on Facebook. When you use this feature, it's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to get you more engagement. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And as promised, I want to share with you how you can get access to this training. This is almost a 2.5-hour training done by one of my really great friends, Aaron Parker. He's a multiple six-figure earner. And what Aaron does better than anybody that I've ever seen is he has literally built multiple six-figure businesses using Facebook, using free methods. And he does it in one of 3 ways. He uses, he sets up his Facebook profile, so he's attracting people to him. He's also learning, he's also going to teach you how to use what's called the Facebook follow button to help you find your perfect people that you should be talking to for your business. He's going to show you how to go into Facebook groups and post in those Facebook groups where people are going to want to know more about your business. They're literally going to be begging you. And in this video training, he's going to show you live how this happens, where he literally puts a status update in a Facebook group and it literally blows up, where people want to know more about his business. It is unbelievable. He's also going to show you how to use Facebook Messenger the right way so that you can start enrolling more people into your business. So if you cannot, you don't have the advertising budget to start any type of paid Facebook advertising, this is the best way for you to go. To get access to this training, all you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/free leads. drlisamthompson.com/free leads. You're going to come to a screen just like this, and you're going to click on this button here. All you have to do is enter in your best email, and then I will send this video training over to you absolutely free. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and then make sure you tune in for the next video. Talk to you later.